everyone. Today's video is going to be very honest and very real. We are going to talk about something that most people don't like to hear. Why 99% of YouTube channels will never grow. But don't worry, if you watch this video till the end, you can be part of the 1% that actually succeeds. So let's get started. 1. Lack of consistency. The biggest reason most channels fail is simple. They are not consistent. People upload for a few weeks, don't get views, and then quit. YouTube doesn't reward quitting. It rewards people who show up again and again, even when no one is watching. 2. Copy-paste content. Most creators copy what everyone else is already doing. Same ideas, same style, same titles. YouTube loves originality. If you don't add your own value, your channel has no reason to stand out. 3. Weak titles and thumbnails. You might have good content, good editing, and a good voice, but if your title and thumbnail are boring, no one will click. No clicks means no views, and no views means no growth. 4. No strong hook in the first 10 seconds. The first 10 seconds decide everything. If you start your video in a boring way, viewers leave immediately. A strong hook keeps people watching, and watch time is everything on YouTube. 5. No clear channel direction. One day vlogs, next day motivation, then cooking, then random videos. This confuses both the audience and the algorithm. Successful channels have one clear niche and one clear audience. 6. Giving up too early. Most channels don't fail because the creator was bad. They fail because the creator quit too soon. Success on YouTube takes time, patience, and continuous improvement. The truth is, if you avoid these mistakes and stay consistent, focused, and patient, you automatically move ahead of 99% of creators. So this is why 99% of channels never grow on YouTube. But if you are willing to learn, improve, and never give up, your channel can grow, slowly but surely. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.